Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful antique farmhouse kitchen decorating ideas with shabby chic style. Shabby chic vintage antique kitchen decor combines elements of vintage charm with a old distressed aesthetic. It often features soft pastel colors, floral patterns, and delicate fabrics like lac or linen. Common elements include distressed or whitewashed furniture, mismatched dinnerware, and vintage kitchen tools, and decorative items like old clocks or candeliers. It is about creating a cozy, lived-in feel with a touch of elegance and nostalgia. Antique farmhouse kitchen decor typically involves incorporating vintage or rustic elements into the kitchen design, such as reclaimed wood accents, distressed finishes, vintage kitchenware, and traditional farmhouse-style furniture, like farmhouse tables and chairs. Common features include open shelving, apron sinks, mason jars for storage, and vintage-inspired appliances. Think of it as blending old-world charm with practical, cozy aesthetics. Here are some tips for achieving a shabby chic vintage antique farmhouse kitchen decor. Let's start the video. Number 1. Soft color palette. Choose soft pastel colors like a spelly pink, mint green, baby blue, or creamy white for walls, cabinets, and accents. These colors create a light, airy atmosphere typical of shabby chic decor. Number 2. Distressed furniture. Incorporate distressed or whitewashed furniture pieces such as farmhouse tables, chairs, and cabinets. Look for vintage pieces with chipped paint or weathered finishes for an authentic shabby chic look. Number 3. Vintage accessories. Add vintage accessories and decor items like antique kitchenware, old-fashioned glass jars, vintage skills, or enamelware. These items add character and charm to the kitchen space. Number 4. Textured fabrics. Use textured fabrics like lac, crochet, or linen for curtains, tablecloths, and seat cushions. These fabrics add warmth and softness to the room while enhancing the vintage aesthetic. Number 5. Mismatched dinnerware. Embrace the charm of mismatched dinnerware by mixing and matching vintage platters, cups, and bowls. Look for delicate floral patterns or pastel colors to complement the overall theme. Number 6. Distressed finishes. Incorporate distressed finishes on cabinets, shelves, and countertops to create a time-worn look. You can achieve this by sanding or painting furniture with chalk paint and then distressing it with sandpaper. Number 7. Vintage lighting. Add vintage-inspired lighting fixtures such as candeliers, pendant lights, or wall sconces to enhance the ambience of the kitchen. Look for fixtures with ornate details or distressed finishes for an authentic vintage feel. Number 8. Fresh flowers and greenery. Bring the outdoors inside by adding fresh flowers, herbs, or potted plants to the kitchen. Place them in vintage pitchers, messengers, or enamelware containers to add a pop of color and freshness to the space. Number 9. Personal touches. Incorporate personal touches like family heirlooms, antique cookbooks, or framed vintage photos to infuse the space with nostalgia and warmth. Number 10. Keep it cozy. Finally, focus on creating a cozy atmosphere where family and friends can gather comfortably. Add plush cushions to sitting areas, hang soft curtains, and consider adding a cozy rug underfoot to complete the look. Number 11. Vintage appliances. Consider incorporating vintage-inspired appliances like retro-style refrigerators or stoves. These appliances add a nostalgic charm to the kitchen while still providing modern functionality. Number 12. Open shelving. Install open shelving to display your vintage kitchenware, dishes, and decorative items. Use reclaimed wood or distressed metal brackets for a rustic touch. Number 13. Weathered wood flooring. Opt for weathered or distressed wood flooring to add warmth and character to the space. If installing new flooring is not an option, you can achieve a similar look with vintage-inspired rugs or floor mats. Number 14. Antique kitchenware. Replace cabinet knobs, drawer pulls, and buckets with antique or vintage-inspired hardware. Look for brass, copper, or ceramic options with intricate details to add a touch of elegance to your kitchen cabinets and fixtures. Number 15. Vintage artwork. Hang vintage artwork or prints on the walls to add visual interest and personality to the space. Look for botanical prints, vintage advertisements, or antique maps that complement your shabby chic theme. Number 16. Distress mirrors. Incorporate distress mirrors into your kitchen decor to reflect light and visually expand the space. Look for vintage mirrors with ornate frames or distress finishes to add a touch of glamour to the room. Number 17. Vintage kitchen tools. Display vintage kitchen tools and utensils on hooks or in decorative containers on your countertops or walls. Items like old-fashioned egg beaters, wooden spoons, and cast iron skillets add charm and nostalgia to the space. Number 18. Dye projects. Get creative with dye projects to personalize your shabby chic vintage antique kitchen decor. Upcycle old furniture with paint and distressing techniques. Create vintage-inspired sign or artwork. Or repurpose vintage finds into functional kitchen accessories. Explore flower markets, antique shops, and thrift stores to discover unique treasures that fit your shabby chic vintage antique theme. Keep an eye out for one-of-a-kind items like vintage tins, old-fashioned kitchen gadgets, and cookery decor pieces to add character to your kitchen. With these tips, you can create a charming and inviting shabby chic vintage antique kitchen decor that feels both timeless and welcoming. these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.